I am a compulsive entertainer. I love to have people to my house for dinner. And when it comes to dessert, sometimes I just keep it simple and I'll put out a plate of chocolate or some nuts and dried apricots. And if I happen to find a really fresh fruit at the market that's in season, could be a great melon or some peaches or maybe some grapes, I put those out. But sometimes I like to do a little bit more. My current favorite is affogato. It is the Italian ice cream served with a bit of espresso over the top, and it is really fabulous. Now, I also like to mix something healthy with something decadent. And I learned this trick from my friend Cynthia, who actually has me to her place in New York when I'm there. And it's a mixture of yogurt and ice cream. She softens the ice cream and blends it together and then stirs in her berries. And it's just really delicious. Now, it is pumpkin season, so I like this notion of recreating a pumpkin pie in your blender with no cream or eggs. You use chia seeds to thicken it. Now, before you squirm, I have to tell you that chia seeds have more omega-3 fatty acids than salmon, more calcium than a cup of milk, and more antioxidants than blueberries. Now, if you want the real thing, you gotta try my flourless firefly chocolate cake, which I got this recipe 25 years ago when I was in chef school learning to do some French cooking. And I serve it every year on New Year's Eve at my house for dinner. It's got 2 sticks of butter and 5 eggs, just 5 ingredients. It's really easy and it's really fabulous. Listen, it is okay to splurge on dessert now and then, but it's also really cool to be open to healthy alternatives that look good and taste good and are good for you. And that is smart eating.